Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to save a Google Docs document to Google Drive. Saving your Google Docs documents to Google Drive is a crucial skill for anyone who wants to ensure their important files are securely stored and easily accessible from any device, anywhere in the world. Whether you're working on a school project, drafting a business proposal, or simply jotting down your ideas, having your documents saved in Google Drive means they'll be safe and ready whenever you need them. Now, let's dive into the detailed steps to get this done smoothly. First things first, let's open up Google Docs. If you're new to this, just head over to the Google Docs website and log in with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you can see all your previous documents, or you can start fresh. If you're ready to create something new, click on the blank document template to begin. Now, with your new document open and ready to go, you can start entering your content. You might be drafting a letter, creating a to-do list, or even working on a lengthy report. The great thing about Google Docs is that it saves your work automatically as you type. This feature is a lifesaver because you don't have to keep hitting the save button, and you won't lose your progress if something unexpected happens, like your computer shutting down. As you're working, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find a fantastic feature. Your document is automatically being saved to Google Drive. This seamless integration means you don't have to remember to save or back up your documents manually. It's all taken care of, ensuring that your files are safe and accessible whenever you need them. Next, let's switch gears and head over to Google Drive to ensure everything is in order. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. You can do this by typing in the Google Drive URL or by selecting the Google Drive option from your Google Apps menu. Here, you'll find all your saved documents and files, organized neatly for easy access. If, at any point, you accidentally delete a file, don't worry. Google Drive provides a handy feature to recover deleted files. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option called Bin. Click on it to view any files you've thrown away. You might find an untitled document or any specific file you previously discarded. It's important to review these files to decide whether they should be permanently deleted or restored to your main documents folder. If you decide to bring a file back, simply click on the document you wish to recover. This action will highlight the document and present you with a few options. From there, choose to restore it, and the file will be moved back to your regular drive storage. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily save and manage your documents using Google Docs and Google Drive. You'll always have quick access to your files, ensuring that no matter where you are, your documents are just a click away. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to save a Google Docs document to Google Drive quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.